Hello everyone, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be making, you guessed it, the sweater on the thumbnail. And if you are new to my channel, I'm Megan with Maddie Bugs Creations, where we do fun shirt tutorials, sweatshirt tutorials, hoodies, learn about the t-shirt business, poly tee spray. We do it all. If that stuff interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and hit the notification bell so you get all of my videos when they are first released. Alright, I'm going to kind of make this one short. I got everything already ready for it, and I know that shorter videos seem to be a little bit better than longer videos. Alright, so I'm going to right here at the heat press. Alright, so this is the sub I'm going to do. It says, I've got friends in snow places. And this is a 50-50 polyester, 50-50, which is 50 polyester and 50 cotton. I went ahead and I put some poly tee spray on it, so that way it will be more vibrant on a 50-50. If it's got 50% polyester or less, I usually go ahead and put the poly tee spray on it, because 50-50 has been known to fade. So I just went ahead and just poly tee sprayed it. And after I poly tee sprayed it, I did go ahead and throw it in the dryer just to see if it would work. I know I've had questions about that, if it's okay to throw it in the dryer. Well, we're about to find out how it looks after you've thrown it in the dryer. Let me go ahead and... I didn't get my sheet out. Shoot. Shoot. Where's my sheet? Oh, up here. Go ahead and throw the parchment paper down. And what I usually set my heat press, what I have my heat press on for this tutorial is 375 for 50 minutes. No, 60 minutes. 375 for 60 minutes. Because it's kind of a thicker. My thicker shirts I like to go ahead and put it on a little bit longer than I would my t-shirts or my bleach shirts. I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook on up. And when I'm putting the sub on, I usually take my fingers and put a whole hand between the neckline and the sub, so that way I know that it's not too far up, because if it's too far up, it'll be all up in your neck and stuff, and it just won't look good. Alright. Take that off. Take that off. Looks good so far. Okay. So now I'm going to do the sleeves. Here's what we got so far. I've got friends in snow places. Alright. So now we're going to do the sleeves. So what I do with the sleeve is I'm just going to put the sleeve up in here, as much as the sleeve I need, which I kind of need the whole sleeve. And then I got these cute little snowflakes right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just place them wherever I want to, wherever I think looks good. Now I kind of like to just jazz it up here, make it look really good. Don't want too many, I don't want them too close together or too far apart, because if they are, they don't look so good. Alright. Let's go ahead and stick that bad boy on there. I don't know why my camera wants to do this today. Alright, now we'll also do the sleeves at 375 for 60 seconds. I feel like the longer you can put it on there, the better the image looks to me. And it's also got that poly tee spray on it, so the colors will pop out more. Because if I didn't have the poly tee spray on it, it would look more vintage, kind of more faded and stuff. So I recommend putting the poly tee spray on if you have 50% polyester or less. If you have 65% polyester or more, if you want to go ahead and put the poly tee spray on to make your colors more vibrant, that also works. But really in the long run you don't really have to use the poly T spray for 65% polyester. And if you guys don't know how to make this poly T spray and would like to learn how, I will have a card up in the corner here that will take you to that video, and you can learn how to make that. Oh, this looks really good. I'm digging this Christmas sweatshirt. Alright, here's the sleeve, guys. Look at that sleeve. Awesome. Now we gotta do the other sleeve. Make sure it kind of matches. Alright. So now what we have to do to make sure it matches is we're gonna have to try to eyeball the other sleeve as to where we put it all. And these sleeves are kind of hard to get up in there. One down here, one up here, one down here, and one kind of like right there. All right. Really cool. I'm trying to put it on there to where it won't move any of my snowflakes there. And if you want to make sure that it doesn't move your snowflakes, you can also buy heat tape. And that will hold everything in place. I'll also put down in the in the description below, I'll put down the tools I use, like my sub paper. I'll put you some heat transfer paper. I use parchment paper, not butcher paper, but a lot of people use butcher paper. I do recommend that if you use butcher paper, use the white, because if you use the brown and you have a lighter color, it will turn brown. Like if you do the bleached, your bleach will turn brown because of the paper. I had to learn that the hard way. If you all are liking this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and hit the notifications bell, and you'll get all of my videos as they come out. I have some really good tutorials for you guys, and I hope that you all are liking this video. Alright, now let's lift this up, and let's see what our other sleeve looks like. Ow. Yeah, it's really hot after it gets heat pressed too. Awesome. So we got it done. Alright, I'm going to turn this around and show you the results. There we go. There is our cute Christmas sweater. Can't get it in the frame all the way. Maybe if I stack it some more. Or how about, I'll just put it on. It's for me anyway. And I do recommend the Gildan 1800. It is extremely soft. I absolutely love it. Look at how cute that is. Very good and Christmassy. I may cut the neck out of it, but as for that, they fit. They're unisex, so I would size down one. If you want like your regular fit, if you want it like a little bit bigger, keep your regular fit. But it's a Gildan 1800, and it is 50-50 if you get the heathers. They're actually 65% polyester and 35% cotton. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. Hope you all liked it. And if y'all don't want to recreate this will be in my shop at maddiebugs.com. Well, thank you guys. Y'all have a good night. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.